I paid off $23,000 in credit card debt in 18 months. Here's the exact system. No gimmicks, no minimum payments. Put all credit cards in a drawer, not cut, but not in your wallet. Call each card and ask for a lower interest rate. 60% of people who ask get one. Set up autopay for minimum on all cards immediately. Avalanche. Pay highest interest first. Saves the most money mathematically. Snowball. Pay smallest balance first. Builds psychological momentum. Both work. Pick the one you'll actually stick with. Cut every discretionary expense for 6 to 12 months. It's temporary. Any windfalls, tax refund, bonus, gift money, go 100% to debt. Pick up a temporary side hustle. Every extra $200 per month shortens payoff by months. $10,000 at 20% APR, minimum payments only equals 27 years, $12,000 in interest. $10,000 at 20% APR, paying $500 per month equals 2.5 years, $2,800 in interest. The difference is a decision, not income. Get my debt payoff tracker at https://funbiz.gumroad.com.